Things are juiced, though. Already this morning, as we know, mornings we can have the highest dew points, the highest, I should say, relative humidities, which is what we see right now. 100% in Starkville for that relative humidity. It's a reason why we've had these dense fog alerts that will go for the next couple of hours. They will continue to drop. But briefly, the severe thunderstorm warning that we have in Atoka and Cole counties, this is in Oklahoma. Here's Antlers. This has been producing about 60-mile-per-hour winds, quarter-size hail. It's all radar indicated, nothing observed at the moment. But this storm is moving off to the northeast at about 45 miles an hour. So that's a storm to watch. Jumbo, Daisy, Adele, and Counts before the top of next hour. We'll see that storm work in. But speaking more broadly to what we're expecting today, it's not Oklahoma where we're seeing the storms. In fact, it's from Little Rock all the way down to Birmingham. That's where we have the level 2 threat. It's where we're already beginning to see that moisture and that instability creep in. Not a lot, but we don't need a lot. We have a front, the stationary boundary that's draped in the general location zone here. On the south side, we have warm, humid air that's building in. And as these storms, these are the storms to watch, too. I think this is the beginning of that storm cluster that we're going to see through the afternoon work east. And with the development of that, I want to get through Future Track real fast. As we watch them grow upscale and move off to the east, it's possible we could have more of a, I know that our future track is indicating these individual supercells. It seems to be more of a cluster of storms, maybe a complex of storms that will organize as we head into the afternoon. This is by about 4 o'clock. We'll be watching them as they make that approach into northern Alabama, parts of Georgia, and then even into the evening, Britta, I think maybe Atlanta as the storms begin to deteriorate. But the biggest threat today that we're going to see with these storms will be hail. It's possible some of these hailstones could be 2 inches in diameter. The possibility is certainly there that egg-size hail will be the main threat. Tornado threat looks low.